Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this well, almost daily update now on Manta. But it's very much necessary because yesterday, obviously, as most of you know, we've had a bit of a breakdown. In the end, after the video, we did not drop down to 2.8 and 2.75 yet, which is what I said. We found some support at the 50 EMA at first, but right now we are dropping down to that level. And technically we've already reached it, kind of. All right, so I just wanted to do a full update. I mean, right now you can still see that there is a lot of liquidity to the downside right here for Manta. So that 100% works as a magnet. That's this level, all right? That's our main support level. That's also the previous resistance level. You have the 100 EMA there. And 2.75 is a bit of a psychological level, all right? So just in general, this is the level to watch. That might be the most important thing you'll hear in this video. So then the question is, well, what is Manta doing right now, all right? Because you need some sort of context with the fundamentals to really make a good and sound decision on what you think is going to happen next. And Manta itself, I mean, if you look at the numbers, it's doing fine, all right? The total value locked, it's not at the all-time high, but it's close to it, all right? They're still doing fine. So Manta on its own fundamentally is doing fine, all right? And then apart from that, we have had a pretty big bull run right here. Right, so we went up. I'm not even sure how much percentage it was. Maybe that's a bit underwhelming. But no, I mean, we did about 50% from the bottom to the top here. So you would say that has its effects, and I do think it has that as well. Because right now, if I would purely have to technically tell you what's going on, I would say, well, we just had bullish momentum. This is a bit of a bullish flag. Which will bring us down to the main support level, and then from there we'll have a breakout and we'll rally up higher, all right, up towards like 3.75. Purely technically, that looks very beautiful, and that almost looks like a textbook trade. Now, the problem is that the market circumstances right now do not necessarily facilitate great technical market circumstances, all right? So technicals, in other words, are not to be trusted fully. Manta is also a very new crypto, so that usually also acts in a stranger way. And if we look at the open interest right here, what we see is that we're actually losing momentum, which is not even that weird, but still, it's not really. It's not fully certain that we'll rally from here. What I expect from here is that Manta will drop down to that support level between, like I said, 2.8 and 2.7 ultimately, but the main level is 2.75. We'll drop down there. We'll find support, but that support needs to break above, like within 24 hours or within like 36 hours, something like that. It needs to break above $3. That's our main resistance level right now. And if from the support level at $2.75, we can break above $3, well, then the technical structure is confirmed. And then we're going back up to 3.3, 3.5, and probably 3.75. All right, so this is the most bullish scenario that's possible from the current prices. But like I said, I mean, there are enough reasons to assume that this is not going to happen. So it's really waiting for that bullish breakout, because if we don't get that bullish breakout, and the open interest will continue dropping down, which, to be honest, and this, yeah, I'll just tell you, I think it's most likely that that momentum will not increase. All right, so that Manta actually will drop down below 2.7, and that will slowly drop back down to 2.5 and start to consolidate somewhere there. At this moment, I think that's most likely, but that's mainly based on the market circumstances and on what I see from the momentum of Manta and liquidity, by the way. There's also a lot of liquidity still down at like 2.2, etc. So that's those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment as well. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.